Hi all, welcome to SLP Technologies. Today we're going to see AWS DevOps demo. So in this AWS DevOps demo, there are many things to cover. So I'll just go through each topic what we're going to discuss in this demo. So first one is DevOps introduction and what is AWS DevOps and what are the various tools which we're going to learn in this course and what are the languages and scripting things and what will be the future once you have done this AWS DevOps course and what are the certifications we can do and various job opportunities once you have learned this AWS DevOps and what will be the salary expectations from mid-level to experience level and how to build a resume as well. Yeah. Now what is a DevOps introduction? So DevOps is a way of working where the development team and the operations team work together. So the main goal is to build and release software application faster and with few errors. So it aims to shorten the software development lifecycle and improve the quality and reliability of software releases. So before going to other things, I would like to share about what is software development life cycle, what are the phases which are there. So before that, I would like to share a small story. So we know everybody likes the story, right? See, assume I have a business that is electronic shop. So here in this electronic shop, I will sell different products like laptops, washing machine, fridges, everything, right? See, after few days, my business is doing good and I would like to expand my business through online. So for that, I need a mobile app as well as the website, right? So to do that, I don't have any specific team to do that. So what I will do, I will approach any IT organizations and here I will explain about my idea. So in every company, they will follow some phases or else they will follow some process. So in every organization, there will be some project heads or like project leads will be there. So I will go to them and I will explain my idea. So now the project leads or like project heads will explain about various things in IT to deliver a project. So let's see what are those. So one is a requirement phase. So here we will collect the requirements. So the next phase is a planning stage. Here they will plan. So that means like how many resources we need to do this application or like to do this software. The next phase is a design. So this design phase, the architectures will involve. So they will develop the design. They don't develop the application. They will just design the application how it looks. So now this one will be a roadmap to the developers. So in the next phase, development stage. So here the developers will write the code based on the design of the application. The next stage is test. So once the development is done, the testers will test the application continuously. So like for to finding the bugs or like where the application performance, everything. And the last stage is deploying. So once the testing is done, now the application, the end users can use the application. So this is completely called software development life cycle. So now this complete thing we call it software development life cycle, right? So now this is a release. I think now we got about some point, right? What is development life cycle and what are the phases? So, so by fostering collaboration and leveraging automation technologies and DevOps enables the faster, more reliable code development to production in efficient and repeatable manner. This is about just DevOps introduction, and let's see what is AWS DevOps. So I think everybody got some point, right? What is DevOps and what is software development lifecycle. Now see what is AWS DevOps. So AWS provides a set of flexible services designed to enable companies to more rapidly and reliably build and deliver products. At least products means like software applications using AWS and DevOps practices. Now these services simplify provisioning and managing infrastructure, deploying application code, and automating software releases and monitoring your application and infrastructure performance. So these all things we can do with AWS only. Suppose if you just do with only DevOps, we have to do all these things manually. So but if you go with AWS DevOps, we can do these things with AWS DevOps. So now let's see why we have to prefer AWS for DevOps. That is, get started fast. So it is so fast and fully managed services which we built, which are built in already in AWS, and it is built for scale. So it means like largely we can build as like programmable, so we can automate everything, and automation and secured. So secured wise, it is like powerful and large partner ecosystem, because it is cloud, right? It is located in multiple locations, and pay as you go. So what are the services which you are going to use for today, or like for 1 hour or 2 hours, like that we can pay for that. So these are the major features or benefits if you use AWS for DevOps. And now we got some point like what is AWS DevOps. Now let's see what are the tools and languages which you are going to learn and use in this course. So one is GitHub. GitHub is a platform where developers can store their code and collaborate with others. And what Jenkins? Jenkins is a free tool that helps automate tasks like testing and delivering the code. And what is Ansible? Ansible is a free tool that helps manage servers and applications. So this Ansible, what it will manage the servers. And what is Docker? So Docker is a tool that helps developers package their complete application in one container box type. And what is Kubernetes? Kubernetes is a free tool that helps manage and organize multiple Docker applications, or like multiple Docker containers. And there is a few other tools which we're going to learn. One is Prometheus and one is SonarQube. So Prometheus is widely used in DevOps because it has powerful open source monitoring and alerting tool designed specifically for modern cloud native environments. Suppose if you're dealing with the servers, right, for to monitor like how the servers are running, or like whether they are up and like about the health, or like maybe the servers are crashed, and everything we can monitor with this Prometheus tool. And the next one is SonarQube. So what this SonarQube is, most of the developers will use this tool to check the code quality and security purpose. So these are the tools. And the comes to languages. So in this Linux we will learn. So this will provides the foundation for AWS and DevOps, the major thing. And then next, bash scripting, it automates repetitive tasks like log monitoring, backups, and deployment scripts in Linux environments. So comes to Python, it is widely used in DevOps for writing automation scripts, infrastructure provisioning, and AWS Lambda functions. The next comes to YAML. So YAML is used to write human readable configuration files for tools like Kubernetes, Ansible, and CI/CD pipelines. So we will use this YAML language in Ansible and Docker and Jenkins as well. And the last one is Terraform. So this Terraform is a infrastructure code. So we can use this language to enable the infrastructure in AWS without manual intervention. We can write the code to work with the services. Like, what will be the future of AWS DevOps once we learn this course? So the future of AWS DevOps is bright as organizations increasingly adopt cloud native solutions to streamline development and operation processes. So AWS DevOps combines AWS robust infrastructure and services with practices like CI/CD, infrastructure as code, and automation to enhance productivity, scalability, and reliability. So there are few things like automation focus, are like tools like AWS code pipeline, code deploy, and cloud formation. All these comes into automation focus. And high demand with increasing shift to cloud native and serverless architectures, AWS DevOps engineers are in high demand. And every day we're getting the new tools in the continuous innovation in AWS tools, and make AWS DevOps professional critical for modern IT. And AWS certifications for DevOps. So certifications validate expertise and are highly valued in the industry. So there are few key certifications which are like AWS certified cloud practitioner, that is only for beginners, people who are planning to go on only on cloud. And AWS certified DevOps engineer, it's like people who are more focusing on CI/CD and monitoring security. These things will comes under AWS certified DevOps engineer. So these are the major certifications in AWS DevOps. And if you ask me like what will be the salary expectations for these AWS DevOps engineers, sorry, before that, it will be like job opportunities. So there are a number of different roles and different companies are hiring for AWS engineers, and these are the different roles you can expect in the IT market as like AWS DevOps engineer and cloud automation engineer and site reliability engineer and cloud architect or platform engineer. So the roles will be completely different, but the work will be the same. Depends on the roles, and it is might some people might work only on cloud, and few people might work only on different tools like Jenkins, Ansible, Docker, these things. So it's completely related on the company role and their designations. And what will be the salary expectations once I learn this complete course? So for entry level itself, like people who have 1 or 2 experience, they can expect more than 6 to 10 LPA based on the companies and their experience and the things what they know. For mid level, it will be like more than 12 to 18 LPA, and experienced professionals it will be more than like 20 plus. So these are the major top hiring companies which are hiring for AWS DevOps, like Amazon, Google, Microsoft, TCS, like Accenture, IBM, anything are there. So along with this, we don't teach only about course. So there are many things which we're gonna share, like resume building, like mock interviews, and like assignments or assessments, and like quizzes. Everything will be there, and we will make you too strong to attend interviews, and like how to apply for any jobs in different career portals and different job portals like Naukri, LinkedIn, all these things which will be shared in this course. So I hope this demo is fine for you, and thank you for attending this demo session, and I would like to see you in the future. Thank you guys. Have a good day. Bye.